వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ మ్యాథ్స్ బెంచ్ ఎవ్రీబడి ఫస్ట్ ఇన్ దిస్ బెంచ్. ఈ వీడియోలో నేను సిమిలర్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్ 1 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్ 15 ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను అండ్ 5 సెల్ఫ్ అసెస్మెంట్ కూడా ఇచ్చాము. టోటల్గా 20 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని కవర్ చేయొచ్చు ఈ 40 మినిట్స్ వీడియోలో మీరు. ఓకేనా? నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ కూడా చేయండి ఈ ఛానల్ని. మీ సపోర్ట్ మాకు చాలా బూస్టింగ్ ఇస్తుంది. ఓకే, లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ అవర్ క్లాస్. Now the problem, Rahul said that two rectangles are always similar. Is he correct or not? Justify your answer. Two rectangles are always similar. In generally, for about any figures, two figures are said to be similar. They should have the same shape but not size. Then they are called similar. According to this statement, we will feel that these two figures are in same shape, so these two figures are similar. We will feel in that way, but you have to consider as not a figure, you have to consider as a polygon. If two polygons are said to be similar, they should have the corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are proportional. Corresponding angles must be equal, corresponding sides must be proportional. Now let's check here. Suppose I taken here 3 and here side is equal to 2 and here value equal to suppose 6 and here value equal to 4. Not much increased. 3. Okay, now let's see that first side by first side value equal to 3 by 6 is equal to second side by second side 2 by 3. Now are these two equal? 3 table 3 ones are 3 twos are 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. These two are getting not equal, means sides are not proportion, therefore they are not similar. Okay, na? Simply here what we can write the statement, this is for your understanding I explain. Sir, what you can write, the two rectangles are not always similar because they are corresponding angles are equal. First angle equal to first angle, second angle equal to second angle, third angle equal to third angle, fourth angle equal to fourth angle. Corresponding angles are equal but corresponding sides are not always proportion, so the two rectangles are not always similar, may be similar. Okay, that is content. Next problem. Now the next one, write the properties of two similar triangles. This is the question, right? Two triangles are similar, then what we can say, corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are proportion. Corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are proportion. Here are the two triangles, first angle equal to first angle, second angle equal to second angle, third angle equal to third angle. Like first side by first side, second side by second side, third side by third side. Can you say now? Angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F. And the corresponding sides, first side by first side AB by DE is equal to second side by second side BC by EF, third side by third side AC by DF. Corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are proportion. Okay, next bit, third one. Well, the problem is here, from the adjacent figure find the value of x. In the figure given in the triangle ABC, the side DE parallel to BC. Here 2, 3, 4 and x, these are given as outside sides ratio, so you have to use must be basic proportionality theorem only, because corresponding other two sides relationship is given. Okay, now according to given problem what we can write, given in the triangle, what is triangle name, ABC, what is side DE parallel to BC. Now AD by DB is equal to AE by EC, so what we can write, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AD 2, DB 3. So what we can write? 2 by 3. AE by EC 4 by X. Apply cross multiplication. Apply cross multiplication. Now the value 2 into X is equal to 3 into 4 into 2 transpose by X is equal to 3 into 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So 3 twos are is equal to 6. So that value of X is equal to how much you got? 2. Okay, here what we use relation? Basic proportionality theorem. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Okay, next same BPT you can try to solve one more problem. నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, వీడియోని చివరి వరకు చూడండి. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం నెంబర్ 4. From the adjacent figure find the requirement. AL by LB 2 by 3, AL by LB 2 by 3. So 2 parts, 3 parts. Next AM is equal to 5, AM value equal to 5. Then what is AC? Full side is given. So let's find out this MC value first. Later we can find out AC. Okay na. MC value if we calculate, after that AC value is equal to AM plus MC. AM value already you know, you have to calculate MC, so that after addition you will get AC. Okay na. Now what we can write here? Given LM is parallel to BC. Now we can apply AL by LB. What is relation? AL by LB is equal to AM by MC. AL by LB is equal to how much given? 2 by 3 is equal to AM value 5, MC value we don't know, make it as X. Okay, now multiply 2X is equal to 3 5s are 15. Then value of X is equal to 15 into 2 transpose by 2 1s are 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. So value of X is equal to 7.5. Right. We need now what we have to calculate? We have to calculate AC. Value of AC is equal to AM plus MC. AM plus MC. AM value we have 5, MC value got 7.5. 5 plus 7.5 is equal to 12.5 centimeters. Therefore AC is equal to 12.5 centimeters. Okay. Next problem. From the adjacent figure find the value of AE. Requirement. AD is equal to 2 and DB is equal to 6. AC is equal to total length. AC is equal to 12. Then what is AE? We don't know that. Let it be as X. Total length is equal to 12. If you remove this first part, automatically second part is equal to, from the total 12, remove the first value, automatically you will get second value. So that is 12 minus X. Okay na. Now sides relation given, so you have to use definitely BPT only. ఎందుకంటే ఇటు సైడ్ అటు సైడ్ ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి సెంట్రల్ ఇస్తే మళ్ళీ మారుతుంది. ఓకేనా. నౌ AD by DB, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Same relation. So what we can write here? 2 by 6 is equal to X by 12 minus X. Okay. Apply cross multiplication. 2 into 12 minus X is equal to 6 into X. 2 12s are 24. 2 into X 2X is equal to 6 into X 6X minus 2X transpose plus 2X. 6X plus 2X is equal to how much you got here? 24. 6X plus 2X is equal to 8X is equal to 24 into 8 transpose by 24 by 8 is equal to X. 8 table 8 1s are 8 3s are. So 3 is equal to X such that X value is equal to 3. Here X value means here what? AE. So AE is equal to how many centimeters? 3 centimeters. Okay na. Here also we used basic proportionality theorem only, because a requirement is this sides and this sides. This line is parallel, so remaining two sides base చేసుకుని ఇచ్చిన ఏ రిజల్ట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్కి అయినా సరే బీపీటీ అప్లై చేయొచ్చు. అదే మిడిల్లో ఉన్న టర్మ్స్కి అడిగితే మాత్రం బీపీటీ అప్లై చేయకూడదు. ఓకేనా. లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ ద నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. వీడియోని చివరి వరకు చూడండి, చాలా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ డిస్కస్ చేసాము. ఓకేనా, నచ్చితే లైక్ కూడా చేయండి. ఓకేనా, నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. EF are the points of PQ and QR. Here E is a point and F is a point on the given two sides. PE value 4.8, EQ value 4 centimeters, PF value 5.4 and FR is equal to 6. Given the other sides ratio, so we can apply BPT, but he not given as a parallel. Is it right to say these two are parallel or not? So we have to use converse of basic proportionality theorem. By using converse of basic proportionality theorem, we can say whether they are parallel or not. When if their corresponding sides are equal, ratios are equal. So what we can, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Okay, first value equal to 4.8 by 4 is equal to PF by FR 5.4 by 6, right? Apply cross multiplication. What you are getting, 4.8 into 6 is equal to 5.4 into 4. Multiply these two values, 4.8 into 6, you will get 288. One place after point, here write. Similarly, 54 into 4 is equal to 216. After one place point, you can write here point. Are these two values are equal? It is, you got as a false. I mean LHS is not equal to RHS. So what we can say, corresponding sides ratios are not equal, therefore the two lines also not parallel. We can say that it is not right to say the given two lines are parallel, because corresponding sides are not divided in the same ratio, so the lines are not parallel. Okay, that's a problem. See the problem here. From the adjacent figure, find the value of x. Observe the figure here. Two triangles are given here. First angle equal to first angle, right? Second angle equal to second angle. Now third angle equal to third angle. Now say A is equal to D. First angle A is equal to angle D. Second angle B is equal to angle E. Third angle C is equal to angle F. By using of all the three angles are equal, so by using A similarity, two triangles are similar. Triangle ABC similar to the triangle DEF. Okay na, let's separate them. Okay na, let's separate them. First triangle is ABC, second triangle is DEF. First triangle is ABC, second triangle DEF. Okay na, first triangle side is equal to 2.5. Here second side is equal to x. Here first side is equal to 2, second side is equal to 3. Now we can apply first side by first side. 2.5 by 2 is equal to second side by second side, x by 3. Apply cross multiplication. What you are getting, so the value 3 into 2.5 is equal to 2 into x into 2 transpose by, so 3 into 2.5 by 2 is equal to x. Okay na, 25 3s are is equal to 75, so 7.5 by 2 is equal to x. Divide the value 7.5 with 2 table, 2 3s are 6, remainder 1.2 and 5. 2 table, 2 7s are 14, remainder 1 and 5s are 10. So the value how much you are getting, 3.75 is equal to x. Okay na, that will be the answer. Okay na, this is a problem. Let's go for next one now. Now the problem, from the adjacent figure find the value of x. As our previous discussion, here first angle equal to first angle, second angle equal to second angle. How many angles are equal here? Two angles are equal. First angle equal to first angle, first angle equal to first angle, second angle equal to second angle. By using of similarity, A similarity, two triangles are similar. So first side by first side. What is first side? 5 by 7.5 is equal to second side by second side. What is second side? 6 by x. Apply cross multiplication. Value 5 into x is equal to 6 into 7.5. Value of x is equal to 6 into 7.5 into 5 transpose by 5. Okay na? 5 table, 5 ones are 5 15s are 75. Okay na? Now one place after point here, so point. So value of x is equal to 6 into 1.5. Value of x is equal to 15 6 are is equal to 90. One place after point. So value of x is equal to how many centimeters? 9 centimeters. Okay na? Next problem. Now from the adjacent figure find the value of x. Here also first angle equal to first angle, second angle equal to second angle. So by using of similarity, by using of AA similarity, two triangles are similar. So first side, this is hypotenuse, here also hypotenuse, opposite to right angle. So 5 by x is equal to second one by second one. What is that? 3 by 4.5. Apply cross multiplication. 3 into x, 3x is equal to 5 into 4.5 into 3 transpose by value of x is equal to 5 into 4.5 by 3. 3 table, 3 15s are 45. Value of x is equal to 5 into 1.5. 15 5s are is equal to 75. One place after point. So value of x is equal to 7.5 centimeters. Okay. Now from the adjacent figure find the value of x. As our discussion here, first right angle equal to right angle, and here these are angles also equal. So how many angles are here? Two angles are equal. By using of AA similarity, two triangles are similar. So can apply sides relation. First side by first side. 6 by 7.5 is equal to second side by second side. 4 by x. Apply cross multiplication. 6 into x is equal to 4 into 7.5. Value of x is equal to 4 into 7.5 by 6. 2 table, 2 2s are 2 3s are 3 table, 3 20, 5s are 75. Point is here, so one place after point. So value of x is equal to 2 into 2.5. 25 2s are is equal to how much? 50. One place after point, so point here this gets cancelled. Value of x is equal to 5. Value of x is equal to how many centimeters? 5 centimeters. Okay. Next problem. Now the problem is here, from the adjacent figure find the value of x. Here given DE parallel to BC. Here first sides ratio given, not given here second sides ratio. So we should not apply BPT, students. We should not apply BPT. So what we can apply? By using of similarity only you have to solve the problem. Okay na? Now separate the two triangles, that will be very convenient to you to solve the problem. Okay na? This is a small triangle called ADE. What is small triangle? ADE, and big triangle ABC. Right? This small triangle ADE and big triangle ABC I have written here. Okay na? Now first angle equal to first angle, angle D equal to angle B. Second angle equal to second angle E is equal to angle C. Right? By using of similarity, by using of AA similarity, two triangles are similar. Now first side by first side. Here what is first side? 3. So this triangle side is equal to 3. In the second triangle, big triangle, side is equal to, this is the total side, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9, not 6. Okay na? Now second side by second side. Second side here 5, here this is x. We can apply first side by first side. What is first side? 3 by 9 is equal to second side by second side, 5 by x. Apply cross multiplication. 3 into x is equal to 5 into 9. x is equal to 5 into 9 by into 3 transpose by 3 ones are 3 threes are 3 fives are is equal to 15 centimeters. Therefore value of this x is equal to 15 centimeters. Okay, next problem. By which criteria the given triangles are similar? Okay, the problem, which criteria the given are similar. Here first 3 by 6, AO by OB, AO by OB is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 3 ones are 3 twos are 1 by 2. Similarly CO by OD, CO by OD, here also 2.5 by 5, 2.5 ones are 2.5 twos are, here also equal. How many sides are equal? Two sides are ratios are equal, and one angle between angles are equal because of vertical opposite angles. AOC angle is equal to angle BOD because of vertically opposite angles. Two sides are ratios proportion and one angle is equal. So by using of two sides and between angle, so which property we can? By using SAS criteria, the given two triangles are similar. ఓకేనా, మీరు చివరి వరకు చూడండి, ఇంకా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓకేనా, నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, వీలైతే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ కూడా చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం. Now the problem. If the perimeters of the two triangles, one is 18 and the second one is 15. First one is 18, second one is 15, and the side of first triangle is 6, then you have to find out side of the second one. We know perimeters ratio, perimeter of first triangle is to perimeter of second triangle is equal to side of a first triangle equal to side of second triangle. I mean ratio of the perimeters is equal to ratio of the sides. Ratio of the perimeters, first one is 18, second one is equal to 15 is equal to first one is equal to 6, then what is the second one? Product of means is equal to product of extremes. Product of means is equal to 15 into 6 is equal to product of extremes 18 into x into 18 transpose by, then 15 into 6 by 18 is equal to x. 6 table 6 ones are 6 threes are 3 table 3 ones are 3 fives are, so value of x is equal to 5. So therefore side of a second triangle is equal to 5 centimeters. Here we have to learn this word. Ratio of perimeters is equal to ratio of the sides. These are always equal. Okay na? Let's go for the next problem. Now next problem. In the triangle ABC is a which type of triangle given? Isosceles triangle, means the two sides must be equal. Right angle given at 90 degrees at B. So B is 90. Remaining ones, this is A and this is called C. In the triangle ABC, right angle at B and these two sides are equal. We can apply Pythagoras theorem for this. We know hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse is AC. So AC whole square is equal to one side is AB, second side is BC. So you can write as first side is AB square and second side is BC square. AC whole square, AC square, AB square plus BC square. We know AB is equal to BC. AB place you can write BC, BC place you can write AB. AB is equal to BC. Your requirement is AB. So AB square first one plus BC square also you can write as in the place of BC as AB. So AB square. So AC square is equal to AB square plus AB square is equal to 2AB square. Okay na? Let's go for the next problem. Okay na? Now the problem. Srivani walks 12 meters due to east we know this is the directional. From the starting point she moved towards east, like this. I mean, from the starting point she moved how many meters? 12 meters. So this is starting point. After that she moved east direction 12 meters. After that turns left. So from this is the position, this is the left direction, because she is moving in this direction. For the her Srivani, this will be right side and that will be left side. So she moved left side how many meters again? More 5 meters she moved. Okay na? Now how far she is from the starting point? So this is the point, this is the point, this is the present point, this is the starting point. How far they are? This distance you have to calculate x. Okay na? Now we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square x square is equal to, one side is equal to 12, second side is equal to 5. So 12 square is equal to 144 plus 5 square is equal to 25. Okay, x square is equal to 144 plus 25, 169. X square, x is equal to root 169, then value of x is equal to 13. So how much distance she is at? She is at 13 meters of distance from the starting point to the present ending point. This distance is equal to 13 meters. Don't think as first 12, later 5, later 12 plus 5 is equal to, she walked 12, 17 meters. She walked 12, 17 meters, but the distance between the starting point and ending point is definitely 13 meters. Okay, next problem. Now the problem is here, a ladder of 25 meters long reaches the window. Now this is a wall, and at the top point window we are reaching using a ladder of how much? 15 meters. Okay, sorry, 25 meters. Ladder is equal to 25 meters, and above of ground is equal to how many meters? 20 meters. So this is equal to 20 meters above. And determine the distance between the foot of a ladder and building. This is a foot of a ladder and this is the building. This distance you have to find out. Let it be as x. We can apply Pythagoras theorem called A, B, C. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square. Hypotenuse value 25. So 25 square is equal to, one side is x, so x whole square. Next one is 20, so 20 whole square. 25 is a 625 plus x square plus 20 is a 400 plus 400 transpose minus. So the value is equal to 625 minus 400 is equal to x square. Subtraction value 225 is equal to x square. Then value of x is equal to root 225. Root 225 value is equal to 15. So value of x is equal to 15 meters. Therefore the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall is equal to how many meters? 15 meters. ఓకే నానా, ఇది ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకేనా, ఓవరాల్గా మనం ఈ చాప్టర్లో 15 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ డిస్కస్ చేసాము. ప్లస్ ఐ విల్ గివ్ హియర్ నౌ 5 సెల్ఫ్ అసెస్మెంట్ ఫర్ యూ. Total 20 marks. Please watch once again this video and practice these 20 bits so that you can able to face any problem in your examinations. Okay, all the best ma. Here is your self assessment. Please pause the video and note down these problems and practice these problems. Okay ma, all the best.